Hurricane Helene was horrific. The response was very slow. The media coverage was almost non-existent for weeks. And now it's like all hands on deck for Milton. But where were they for Helene? That's still one of the big questions that the people, especially in North Carolina, want to know.
It's a really bad story for the federal government and for specifically for Kamala Harris all around, because not only has it brought out the stories about FEMA being bankrupt because all their money is going to housing illegal immigrants, but there have also been these stories going around about how FEMA is not letting private rescuers get in there, that they're stopping drone flights, they're stopping helicopter flights.